What are the things you need to avoid in order to memorize the Quran? Avoiding doing these will increase your chance of memorizing the Quran really fast and easy. Here are 8 rules you need to follow to memorize the Quran. Rule number 1. Avoid disrespecting your teachers. There are also 2 rules guiding the rule number 1. Rule 1 of rule number 1 is: have it in mind that teachers are always right. And rule 2 of rule number 1 is: if you think teachers are wrong, then refer to rule 1 of number 1. By doing this you will not have problem with the rule number 1. Abdullah bin Mubarak said, "I sought manners for 30 years and knowledge for 20 years. And you have to know that. Even though Musa, peace be upon him, was a prophet, he had to respect his teacher to learn from him." Rule number 2. Avoid sins. Teacher of Imam Shafi advised him, saying, "Knowledge is light, the light of Allah is not given to a sinner. Just like milk and pus cannot be mixed in a cup, so sins and knowledge cannot mix in a heart." Rule number 3. Avoid disobeying parents. A pious worshipper was dragged down the streets in humiliation because he failed to respond to his mother while he was offering voluntary prayers. She was so hurt that she made a dua against him, which was accepted. Rule number 4. Avoid oppressing others. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Be afraid from the curse of the oppressed, as there is no sin between his invocation and Allah." Bullying or making fun of someone is accent, looks and etc. Rule number 5. Avoid depression, anxiety and lack of exercise. Exercise helps memory and thinking through both direct and indirect means. A study by Brigham Young University found that there is a link between memory loss and depression. Anxiousness can play a key factor in memory loss. People who deal with a high level of anxiety produce more cortisol, a stress hormone which is known to affect the brain and may impair memory. Rule number 6. Avoid too little or too much sleep. The amount of shut-eye you get every night impacts your memory. Sleeping too little impairs your ability to retain information. And sleeping too much can be harmful as well. Rule number 7. Avoid overeating. It negatively affects memory. Overeating may cause some people to feel sleepy or sluggish. This may be due to excess insulin production, which leads to low blood sugar. Rule number 8. Avoid smartphones. Mobile phone use for 5 minutes can cause significant memory impairment in humans. So by avoiding doing these things will increase your chance of memorizing the Quran really fast and easy. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video to others as a form of charity, because no charity is a waste. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.